What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got my absolutely gorgeous fiance you guys saw in the thumbnail. She's gonna go for her first time in the Evo 9 MR. We're gonna go for a full rip. I got the new engine intake that we haven't driven with yet, and I got the new HKS Sportback, and then the Megan test pipe and the Megan down pipe. So 4 new parts. This thing should rip. It does rip. I've already driven it. It's way faster. She has ridden in it once or twice since I've had it, but not too much. So we're gonna go take her for an exciting ride and see her reactions. It'll be a good one. It'll be a really good one. Let's jump right in the Evo 9. Let's go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so as we back out of the driveway, it's cold here today. It's 30s, so this thing's gonna rip. Goose weather. You rode in my Evo 10, the one after this,
yeah.
For like 5 years. What do you think of this one compared to that one?
Well, this one's a little older, obviously, and I've said it before in your videos, I totally had a soft spot for that Evo. It was our daily, we drove it all the time, we won races all the time.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
No idea. But this one's just newer, and I haven't seen what it's able to do, and I know you've been working hard on different projects. And
newer as in new acquired to me, but not,
yes,
but not newer.
New addition to the family,
it's an old car.
I would say, but a lot older interior-wise. But again, I haven't seen what it can do, and you've been working on it. Lots of projects, lots of videos, so I'm ready.
Is it loud compared to the other one, or the other one was a lot louder?
It's been like a year since I heard the other one, but this one's really quiet, especially compared to the other ones. Really quiet. This one's quiet. And I just put the HKS exhaust on it. It's still quiet. I mean, it's 3-inch all the way back now. It's still quiet. So hopefully it opens up on this one and gets a little bit louder. I don't know if I'm ready.
Do you like the look of this one, or is it too old? She says it looks like Blink-182.
It looks like the era of Blink-182 if I had to like blurt out whatever was first on my mind. It's just got a more rounded but not futuristic look. It's not as sharp edges, you know, like we went through the rounded edges and the sharp and designs, and I don't know how to say it other than it's from the Blink-182 era.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Little fair warning, I drove this a little bit and I already knocked off a hose clamp, so I brought a tool. Hopefully none of the boost charge pipe hose clamps come off when we're driving fast. We'll get some gas in this video and then we'll go for a drive, and I'll scare her a little bit. This car's, it's pretty quick, it's pretty fast.
We'll see.
We'll see.
You got something to prove.
I think the Evo's pretty warmed up, so we can see. We'll see if it's warmed up.
Oh my gosh!
Is that insane?
That's pretty good, except for
I spilled my coffee.
Oh no!
All over.
Oh yeah, we were getting after it, man.
That was 0 to 80.
Oh, it was? Yeah, that definitely caught me off guard. I thought it was gonna be a slow liftoff, but it just bolted. It thundered into the future.
That is fast. That is really fast.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to shift. I shift quick, but I'm still trying not to shift that quick. I want to be nice on this transmission. It's the one that I spent a lot of money on. I put it in from Monkey Racing, wrong company. English Racing put this one in, and it's an actual 6-speed, so I want to be kind of soft on it, but it shifts really good. Was that fast? Was that quick?
Yeah, that was. I think it was comparable to the other Evo, but this one had a little bit more punch. Like, it was a little feistier. The other Evo is like, it was made for this. This was like, I'm gonna take you places.
Well, I spilled my coffee, which I gotta get a towel. But we're gonna just merge on, so I won't go too hard. We'll just merge on right next to this Porsche. So let's see if we can go catch this Porsche. You ready? Hopefully I don't blow a boost.
Definitely caught the Porsche.
That is crazy. Ooh, it's a big boy too. Panamera S. That is nice.
Man, it was really far ahead of us. You guys just had to be in the car to see it.
So one of the things is that I like about this is, you know, it's a quick car when you can just get on the highway and it goes fast. A lot of the times cars, you'll have to go like, you know, on an on-ramp or go slow and then punch it 1, 2, 3 because those are the only, you know, gears that are quick. This car, I'm not kidding you, it is really fast with the top end. It's still quiet.
Yeah, it really is.
The just to give you guys some feedback, the HKS Sport exhaust with the test pipe and a down pipe, it's not that loud. It's really not that loud. It's very drivable.
Yeah, no,
like
this could totally be a daily. I just called it when we were off camera a sleeper, like somebody that isn't into cars, that doesn't know anything about them, like me, would have no idea that this could go so fast.
It is, it's quick. I like it. I'm enjoying it. So, I don't know, what do you think? This one or the Evo 10?
Oh, don't give that to me. I like interiors of cars as well. So, okay, my question is, which one's faster? Because well, you know better than I do.
My old Evo 10 had more mods than this one.
Will this one be faster?
Yeah, I got a tune from English, but I just put all these new parts on here. If I get this one will be probably this will be faster.
This will be faster.
Yeah.
Okay, so fastest always wins, but from an interior, you know, road tripping, going far and racing in places, you know, no racing in places. I liked the older Evo, not gonna lie, but this one is great because it's newest to the family and I like mixing it up, and you have a lot of variety of cars, so it'd get boring if you got the same one and had the same one all the time. You always have to switch it up. Yeah, a lot of people were sad when I sold the Evo 10. I think I sold the Evo 10 to buy the EVORA, and then that was a hunk of junk. Yeah, a lot of problems. I've always wanted this car. This is my dream car from high school, so I said it a lot, like I'm living my 16-year-old dream. It's a really good car. I can only imagine having this car like the year it came out. This thing is just, it rips. It's really fast. Are we ready to lift off?
Yeah, so tell me if there's a little bit of lag.
I don't know how to comprehend the question. What do you mean, lag?
Did it take a little second for it to jump onto the power, or was there power right away?
Power right away, but I think the first lift off, the first one was like 0 to 80 real quick.
Oh yeah. I do think that there is a little bit, even with the Evo 9, there is a little lag, just a little bit, like at 3,000, 4,000, but then it goes. So you can always brake boost, but so let's do a little bit more right here. Ready, set.
Gosh.
It sounds good though.
It does.
It kind of has a murr sound.
Very smooth. Like it's taken off. Yeah.
Yeah. I really like the downpipe. The downpipe has been the definitely. You guys can't see me. The sun's all out. Definitely been the best mod. If you don't have a downpipe, you should definitely get a downpipe. It is. We're gonna fill up with some gas. Chevron. So I don't know if you guys come here real quick. I don't know if you guys remember this. If this isn't working for you, because when I got mine it wouldn't open, and now it's spring loaded. There's a little piece right here. You see this? And there's a spring in here, and you have to get one of those, and then it'll be spring loaded again for you. Funny, huh? Funny, huh?
Okay, we have the Butamus Evo behind me. Like Mitch said, we're at the gas station. I thought I'd tell a little backstory just in case you haven't seen all of his other videos about the adventures that he went on to get this vehicle, because we traveled a lot last year, and the only trip he took without me was to pick this thing up, and he made it all the way to Vegas before he called English Racing to get it serviced, set up, tuned up with them, and then we went over to Shelton on the other side of Washington, really, and I mean northwest, to go pick it up, and it was a race day. It was beautiful. So it's been a long time coming. That was in January, and then I think it was at English's for 3 or 4 months. Yeah, 3 or 4 months, and then we finally got it back. He's been working on it, other projects, and now we're finally out. It is January of 2023, so it's been a year. So long time coming, but it is great, it's smooth, and now that I look at it, and we were talking about it in the car, compared to the other Evo that he had, the Evo 10, this one is so condensed. I feel like the other one is bulkier, beefier on the road, like it looks meaner. This one, like I said before, it's a sleeper. You don't really see that it is a prized possession for those in the car community, that it goes so fast, you just wouldn't expect it. So yeah, just take it in all its glory.
We're just taking photos. She's freezing. I'm telling you, it's so cold. It's boost weather. So here, let's look real quick here. So this is the HKS Sport exhaust. I like the tip, I guess. It's just not that big. It's very OEM. If you want an OEM look, this is it real quick here.
Babe, you like the tip?
Yeah, I like the tip. So here, Gabriel, you get in real quick and rev it a couple times. And let me put this away real quick.
Oh, I put it in neutral?
Yeah, put it in neutral. You know how to rev a manual car. Spring loaded. So, yeah.
In heels,
So, yeah.
no less.
Pull it out of gear. All right, we're ready. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, I actually really like it. Oh, yeah! Wow. It sounds way better outside. It sounds really good. Yeah.
It's because I'm driving.
Oh, okay. You want, here, we'll go. Let's go. She'll drive.
Oh, snap. I need to wear the right shoes for this.
Wow, that sounded really good.
Yay!
That sounds really good on the outside.
Well, then that just means the inside is insulated so you don't hear as much. All right, so where are we going?
Just drive around a little bit.
Alright.
Just be
Oh my
easy.
gosh.
Don't run over these people.
Yeah, there's, you know, oh, they just dropped their... I've been driving the FRS.
Yeah, the FRS
Really?
is garbage. The clutch on it is really bad. This clutch is probably gonna be heavier. Does it feel heavier? Can you tell? And then if you need to move your chair forward a little bit more, you can.
I'm all those jokes where the girl's so close to the steering wheel.
Yeah.
It's not my fault the pedals are so much forward. I'm not as tall as you. Plus we had the quick intermission for me to take off my heels so I could shift properly.
Yeah. She has no shoes on.
Then
Let's
you
see.
just feel the roar of the engine.
Through the pedals?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
You gotta look.
Totally different than the FRS.
It's strict.
Okay.
The FRS is forgiving.
Yeah, the FRS is really forgiving. Mitch has so many different cars, and I know how to drive a stick, but all the cars are... all the cars are completely different in shifting and like releasing, and I'm sure you guys know the drill. But if I rotate through his cars as much as he did, I'd be in trouble.
So we'll go get on the highway real quick. We got a full tank of gas, and then we'll see if she thinks it's fast.
We'll see if I can shift fast. I mean, you're the king.
It's a learning experience. But you remember you drove this before, and it had that old blow-off valve. This has a new one. It lets off the power a lot. You can see the other one was kind of jerky and it left the power off.
I don't know. I just know that this is so different from the FRS, and Mitch was just telling me that because I drove it just yesterday for a couple hours, I feel so much worse driving this one. Like,
She drove the FRS.
usually it's not that big of a deal, but this one is so different. And he was explaining the difference of a heavier clutch, and it's exactly that. It wants to come out, it's pushing back, like, let's go, let's go. So
This has the ACT HD MDI or whatever it is. It's the one that English wanted to get on it. It's pretty strong.
yeah.
All right, you're gonna have to go a little bit. So let's try not to get a ticket, but You're in 6th gear, so don't do that. Shift down. How about shift down to 5?
Okay, slow.
Are you in 5?
I'm in 5.
All right. Do you want to give it some sauce? Okay.
I gave it the sauce.
There's a popo. You might want to go a little slower.
There's
Well,
a
don't
popo.
drink it so.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my
man.
God.
That's not a cop.
Oh yeah, it's not good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
And we're gonna switch the mirror. Yeah.
You want to go down into 4th?
What? On the highway?
Yeah. Not 2nd, 4th.
I didn't say second. I guess.
Let it out slowly. Okay. Now send it. Floor it. Oh yeah. There you go.
Wow. Yeah. This is fun to drive. I can see why you like vehicles so much.
Yeah.
They
This
go
is a
fast.
good. This is a good one. This is a fast one. She's only going up to like 5,000, 6,000 RPMs. Not all the way up to 7. I don't know if this red line's out. I think it's like 7.4.
Yeah. I'm not going there. It's still the learning curve. I wish I had a pre-class. I would have got a little coaching in on how to go vroom vroom your style before you got me on film. But you know,
She's
first
really.
reaction.
She's really. She. I don't know if you guys remember though when we picked up this car. She was driving the CELICA. She drives the CELICA really hard. She goes really fast.
It's easy. It's much easier to drive. This is skillful.
Yeah. This. And I think the Evo. The Evo 10, I think is again is easier to drive in my opinion. So.
The Evo 10.
Yeah, I think it was easier
I drove
to
it
drive.
to the grocery stores a couple times.
And it had an upgraded clutch on it. I think it was an EXIGE clutch or comp clutch, I can't remember. This is the ACT, and it is definitely a heavy clutch. It is a race car clutch. In case we need more power.
More power.
Oh, okay, we're gonna do the Chinese fire drill. Oh my gosh.
Oh, green light. Ah!
There you go.
Thank you.
Wow, this seat's far back.
Well, I was so close to the steering wheel that I needed to make sure that I pushed the seat way back for him. He's 6'4" and counting, I swear. So, yes. Now we got the driver back in action.
These brakes suck.
It's on the list.
Yeah, I gotta do the brakes. All right, we're gonna do one more hard pull. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, right? You get my fiance Ella back on. Yay. Let's do one more hard pull. I like saying hard pull, I guess. And we'll send it on the highway. We'll wrap up this video, and then we'll be back with the Toyota Celica GTS Turbo. I've gotten so much done on this Evo 9 that I didn't really mean to get done. I just had to get it done. So I feel very accomplished. These are all good parts. Biggest recommendation, the HKS sounds really good from the outside. You guys heard that, but it's not like super loud Evo. The downpipe, if you're gonna buy an Evo 9, you have the stock downpipe. That's the first thing you should do. It's a really easy install. I went with the Megan. There's tons of brands, but that's my favorite part is the downpipe because I mean it sounds good. Are you guys ready?
Equally blinded by the sun and the speed. Gosh.
Like and subscribe, guys. See you on the
Like
next
and
video.
subscribe for more. He's the best. He's the bomb. Thanks for watching.